Hello, mic testing. Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajahum. I wasn't going to record uh, today, but today is an interesting day to study. We are right now backtesting, and it's the last day of the month, plus last day of the month. So that means it's Friday. It's 21st of January 2015. Okay, and today the news is on 8:30, and here you can see the news. Okay, so let me quickly give you overview. So the monthly candle, we went above the upper quarter. There was an SMT, we respected it, and we are right now in the upper half. Okay, and there is an SMT as you can see. Okay, with the yes, with the correlated to on weekly. I highlighted this week, the highest week, and right now we are in the lower half of that. Okay, on daily I highlighted this gap, and we went above, and right now we are below the upper quarter. Okay, on 4-hour chart there is an SMT. You can see on ES we have taken this high, but on Nasdaq we haven't. Okay, and on 1-hour chart, this is the weekly opening gap of 27th of January, or 27th of January, and it's Friday 27th. I don't know, but okay, we are in right now uh, at the upper quarter, and I'm more interested in shorts. Okay, on 4-hour, this is the 50% of the range we are in right now in premium. Did I post the 15 minutes? Yes, I will. Let's start moving forward. This is the 15 minute first presented fair value gap previous day, and it's with the breaking market structure, so it's powerful. It's powerful, and it's the day before yesterday. Yeah, all the first presented are to the downside. We're right now at the 8 o'clock, 8:30 news. I want price to respect the upper quarter to the downside and break lower. I will enter on this breaking market structure plus this lower quarter of the weekly week. Okay, and I would love to see a first presented fair value gap setup here. Okay, right now we are in the 8:45. News has been released, and we are at the 9:30 opening as start. Okay, so, let me first highlight the news. Not much movement at the news, much more movement at the 9:30 opening. Let's get into the 5 minute. It's in the 9:31. Okay, so this is the first presented fair value gap here, all highlighted in pink. Let's see how we trade. I want the price to respect this. See if we are bearish. Okay, look the low, and sorry, we took to the highs. Okay. Hmm. I don't know, the upper half went lower to the upper quarter. Let's I don't want a continuation model. See if is there anything to be highlighted. I think that I highlight this highest down closed candle. Oh, it's so much lipstick on the chart. Okay, we went lower and start going up. Have we created a 5 minute first presented fair value gap? Yes, it is. It's a little gap here. I'm not interested in long right now. Okay, we respected the upper quarter. I like how it's respecting the upper quarter to the downside. I want to break in market structure. I will enter. Let's highlight this. Ah, come on. Is there an SMT? I don't care. We took the 4-hour SMT candle, so there is no SMT. There was a SMT, but now there is not. We are going up. Tiny gap. Break to the upside. Went lower. Straight here. Okay. Uh, hmm. That's the first big gap of 5 minutes after the opening. Let's see how price treated. Hmm. Yeah, this is what I will call the 5 minute first presented fair value gap. Okay, start, we break lower. Should I take a shot here? Okay, so uh, one reason is we are in premium. We respected the upper quarter to the downside. We break to the first presented upper quarter. I would like to see a portion block right now. Still, uh, to plus I want the price to respect this upper quarter to the downside with plus a breaking market structure. Then I will enter and I will look for to take this to this or 2RR or whatever that would be. So let's see. We okay, it touched, went lower. Okay, it's a bit late. The TP would be here. Oh, sorry, the stop loss. And the TP would be on 2RR. 2RR. It's the end of the session. Is there any? Oh, my battery. Laptop's battery. Is there any news? No, there is not. It's the first. Okay, it's the Friday. It's Friday. It's the last day of the month. On Friday, that's my rule is that I don't trade the late New York session. I can trade a late New York session, but I can't trade the session after the PM session, or the say the late PM session, which is after the uh, 9 11. We are kind of in the late New York session. I'm going to trade this. Did we get the entry? Yes. Yes, we are in the first presented 5 minute gap again. And okay, interesting. My stop loss is right. It's in the at the proportional block. Not a more powerful proportional block would be after the break in market structure for me. Okay, like when I took the high, traded into the lower half of this gap, and I want now extension breaking this lower, start respecting all the period raise to the downside. The premium, yeah. Now we are late in the session. The second I take the price take this low, I will set the stop loss to the breaking because out of the New York session now I'm setting the stop loss to the breaking. It should be logically on this at least on this high or this body. What should I do? I think I will place on the logical area. Okay. Even yeah, it will be lost. What should I do? That's the thing which I struggled with a lot. I'm going to place. I'm going to go with the logical. Yeah, we are right now at the 50. We get the sell will be 0.5 risk. I want I took the low. Okay, we took this also, and I don't want price to now go up. Uh, because now it may go up and take this low, even if it's want to go lower, and it's the late it's late New York session. So yeah. Oof, hell no. Ooh. You would be thinking what happened to him, but it's not a good sign. The way the candle, as you can see, the small gap I highlighted. Why price went and lower and touch went into that gap and start going up. Just went lower and close above this upper half. That's a thing that should be studied. Okay. Not a good sign for me. Okay. I'm going to place the stop loss to this high now. Should I? No, I would place this on this high because this is a high after this. Okay, now it's going to break. It's not a good sign. And we hit the stop loss, and yeah, I did the right thing by placing the stop loss to this. Because after taking this high, it's not a good sign that we are going lower. So yeah, price did some clever things and lower touched the uh, first technical first presented 5 minute gap, and respected to the upside, we the body stays in the upper half of that daily wick. Is it a daily wick or gap? I don't know, but it's a daily PDRA, and we respected to the upside. And yeah, and it was the PM session where I should not have traded. It was a good trade, but it is what it is. I will not be trading. I will set a rule that at Friday, on Friday, I will not trade after uh, 11:30, especially. That's the final second that even if I'm in the trade, I will set the stop loss to the break and I will close the position. Let's see how guys going. I think I just consolidating. Okay, hit the TP and the plus we went. I think it's a 1/50%. Yes, it is this range. Hmm. Okay. So I think that's it for the day, and this was the day, and we resulted in a loss today. And even I was right for my bias, as you can see. With the TP after it, and you can see on 5 minute first presented fair value. If I took on this the trade on 5 minute, that would be a stop loss, and we didn't went to do this. Blah blah. I know you didn't understand what I said. Uh, it is just a thing. Okay, we could take this. No, but I'm not. I don't know. It's Friday and it's the last day, and it's at the end of. Okay, we took the high lows. We respected the uh, first presented fair value gap. 1 minute. Yeah, nice price action. I was okay. Hmm. What happened? Above. We went above, took the highs, and we went into. Okay. Start with interesting. And I learned something today. Hmm. I'm studying a bit, trying to analyze what happened today. Hmm. What time was it? Macro ended. Expected it went and macro was split went to be the market structure proportion block expected touched it and start going to okay. That's so yeah, that was the day today, and I'm glad that I participated in this day, and I get I got to know some things, some interesting things. It was an interesting price action today, and even though we result in loss, this loss, the loss has taught me a lot. And first thing, I'm not going to trade in the late session on the Friday, and I did the right thing by placing the stop loss to the 50. I saved half of my risk by placing the stop loss to the high, and it was logical, as you can see it and start going up and lower. And yeah, nice day. I will close the video now, and I think the video a bit long because I was analyzing at the live moment. It wasn't like uh, afterhand. It was at the moment, and yeah, today was the day of the last day of the week, plus last day of the month. Friday, late new York session, and yes, okay. Let's. I think that's it for the day, and I'll catch you at the next video. Allah Hafiz. I will now post a screenshot after screenshot here, and I will put some information what I learned and what I observed today at the price action. Okay, Allah Hafiz.